Wow.
Hey there, so in this video I'm going to show you how to play Barenaked Ladies If I Had $1,000,000. Now, let me show you a preview first. Okay, so those are just the main parts. Let me show you the first part. You're gonna start off with the you're gonna hammer on the so it's open. So you're sort of hammering on the second fret, the top string, the first string, and then you go into a G. A G is index finger on the second fret, second string. Your middle finger on the top string and your ring finger on the bottom string. Sometimes you can do G with both these two fingers on the bottom string. They sound similar, depends on your preference. I like sometimes doing like this, so it was every G, so it's and then in G. And then you hammer on the so what's great about this is you can pull out you can pull it off because it's all open string. So you start at the top and then G, and then you hammer on the second string, second fret, and then you hit the string below it, which is the third string. And you hit the string below it. And in the meanwhile, because it's an open string, you don't even have to have a finger there. So you can immediately go into the D chord. And the D chord is essentially these two fingers on the on the fourth string and the last string, and this ring finger on the fifth string on the third fret. So second fret and third fret. So like that. Sometimes I pull it off just to give it a little bit of spice. So it's like, so let me start over. And then you want to do a C. A C is the fifth string on the first fret, the middle finger on the second fret on the third string, and your ring finger on the second string. So it looks like that. And then so you want to go from a C to a D to a C. And you want to hammer on the same string on the C chord. You want to hammer the middle finger. Again, this is the second string, top string, and then again the second string. Okay, so that's that first part. So that's the main part you need to know. Every so often, they do a lick. The lick is sort of like this. It's like a riff. and you want to, with your index finger, you want to hammer on the first fret, 5th string, so this string here, and then you want to go one string up, which is the 4th string, and you want to hit the top, the string above that with your middle finger, which is the, again, that was all the 2nd fret, which is the 3rd string, and you hit that string here, which you hit that string, and you would then hit the string below it, so you want to hit this string, you hit that string, which is, and then open the string below it, and then, so they do that fret like in between verses. So, and so you now want to get into the chorus, but to set up a chorus, they do like an intermediate there, something in between. They do a C, 2 strums, and then they do a D, and the D sounds like. So with a D chord, I showed you how to do the D chord. This string, and this string, and they hammer on the last string here, the last string. So it's like, they hit it, and then they pull off these 2 fingers, and they hammer this one in. So it's, so that's the intermediate. So basically, and so the chorus part is you're doing a G chord, except it's just one string down. So it's like a G, except it's not here. It's one string down. So it's like, so you start off with open, and then you hit the stringer, and then you do it, then, which is 2nd string, and then you hammer this, and then the bottom string below is open. Everything's open. So it's, and again you go back to a G. And then after that, you're like, you hit this string, the top string, and this one here, this 3rd fret, top string, 2nd fret, top string, and then open. So let's try again. So again, so that's the sort of the chorus part. Let me just play that so a little bit better. And then when you go ready to go back, you start off. And instead of you playing the D, you can actually just do let it riff. The one that I taught you earlier. So let me just start from the beginning, and I'll show you how to end it off. So it's, if I had $1 million, I'll buy you a house, Santa, buy your love. If I had $1 million, build a tree fort in a yard. And then to end it, the ending part is like you do G chord, and it's like the G is a very popular chord. G chord, 1, 2, 3. So you just go down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the second string, and you hammer on. So you're or this string. Open, and then so is that previous lick. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you move it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Everything is open in the last string. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hammer it, and then hit the string below it, and then hit the string again, the string above it. So it's like bye. So it's like. Okay, so hope hope you were following along, and yeah, so I hope that's helpful, and no, that's it.